Hi, I'm Matt Muenster, home improvement TV host. And for years, I've helped homeowners transform their homes. But now it's time to focus on mine.
Hey everybody, so today we're gonna go over size, shape, style, interior color, exterior color, grills, glass, hardware. We've got a ton of options to really dial in the look of these windows and get them right for this house. And luckily, I've got Kim here from Renew by Anderson to help me out. All right, so that's a lot. Where do you want to start?
Well, Matt, when I walked up to your house, I noticed that some of the windows on the exterior were black.
Yes, good catch.
Is that something you're looking at keeping, or what are your thoughts?
The black windows with Ralph Rapson houses are the operable windows, and it'd be really awesome to maintain that. As a matter of fact, I'd like to maintain almost all of this. The look of the house, the integrity of that design is really important to me. I'm not in love with the fact that they're wood. It requires me to maintain them and keep them looking this way, so if we can do anything about that, that'd be awesome.
Great. So we have this exclusive product. It's Fibrex Composite material.
Okay.
And we can do the dark colors on the exterior, and we can still give you the light interior like you currently have.
Okay. With lower maintenance?
Yes, very low maintenance.
Okay.
So the color's baked right into the Fibrex. No need to paint or worry about it chipping or peeling.
Awesome. Okay, so next.
So what we do is we actually build this right here on the computer.
Okay.
So we click on the different window configurations that you like, plug in the sizes, I do a rough measurement, and then we build the whole thing all the way to the end, and then the tech measure takes over.
Okay, there's a lot of windows in this house. So they measure everything. That gets put into the menu.
Yes.
Windows get built, windows get installed, and my life gets better.
Absolutely.
Awesome. So Kim said every window in this house is going to be custom made. Contractor and me says measure twice, cut once. I know measurements are going to be a key part of anything that's made custom. So we're going to do that now, finalize those measurements, and get this project started.